Just 20 years ago, we didn't know of any planets beyond our solar system. And now here we are, we know that there's pretty much a planet for every star. And then we know about 1 out of every 5 of those planets could harbor life. That's such a profound difference in 1 generation's worth of work in our understanding of the cosmos. It blows me away every time I think about it. And it blows me away every time I go out at night, because I can literally go and not just count stars, I can now count planets.
In the vastness of the universe, among countless stars and planets, there's a small red dwarf star named Proxima Centauri. And here's some big news. NASA has just announced a major discovery related to it. After keeping the information private for some time, NASA has finally decided to spill the beans. To the surprise of many, this seemingly ordinary star held a secret that could redefine our understanding of the universe. They just declassified a bunch of mind-blowing pictures of Proxima B. Brace yourselves, because they've confirmed something that'll knock your socks off. As we aim to uncover the mysteries of life beyond Earth, our vision expanded beyond the familiar boundaries of our solar system. Our eyes were set on the far reaches of space, looking at distant stars that might hold clues to life's existence elsewhere. Every star we observed had its own story, its own potential worlds that could offer glimpses into conditions suitable for life. One guiding principle that directed our search was the concept known as the Goldilocks zone. This isn't just a place around stars. It's a special region where the conditions might be perfectly balanced for liquid water to exist on a planet's surface. Think of it as the universe's prime real estate for life. In this zone, conditions are not scorching hot like a desert or freezing cold like the poles, but perfectly temperate, similar to a pleasant day on Earth. This concept opened up a plethora of possibilities. For if a planet lies within this zone, it could potentially have oceans, rivers, and maybe even life forms that thrive in such environments. Our journey into the depths of space, driven by this understanding, continues to fuel our hopes and dreams of discovering life on other worlds. Astronomers with their trusty telescopes set out on a magnificent journey, much like adventurers in search of hidden treasure. But their prize was to find stars with perfect conditions for life. Each star discovery brought hope and the possibility of a new world resembling ours. The vastness of the cosmos offered a rich tapestry of stars. Some stars, not too different from our sun, bathed their surroundings with a gentle, life-supporting glow. Then there were the quiet red dwarfs, casting a subtler light, yet equally intriguing. It was as though the galaxy was a vast canvas, with each star adding its own color and story. But this adventure wasn't just about spotting stars. It was a deeper dive into understanding the essence of these shining jewels. Astronomers became storytellers, unraveling the tales of how stars are born, how they live, and ultimately, how they end their celestial journey.
And if one of those clouds of dust and gas is massive enough, its own gravity causes it to start to collapse, so it falls in on itself, and towards the center of that cloud, it gets denser and denser, it gets hotter and hotter, and eventually the particles that the gas and the dust are made of are brought so close together that they start to stick together, they start to fuse. That's the energy source of a star. The star switches on and begins to shine.
Every star had its own story, filled with mysteries and wonders, and within these stories lay the tantalizing promise of planets that could be just right for life, making every discovery a new chapter in humanity's quest to find our place in the cosmos.
Interesting and exciting questions that people have been asking for millennia is, are we alone? Even as a child, I stared up at the night sky, saw all those stars, and couldn't imagine that some of them didn't have planets with people on them who were looking back at me, wondering the same thing. We are now at the point where we can scientifically answer that question.
Among billions of stars in the cosmos, one particular group earned its own spotlight: the red dwarfs. Red dwarfs are like the quiet heroes. Making up about 70–80% of all the stars in our galaxy, their sheer number tells a story of lasting power and determination. Even though they're smaller in size, often just a bit of our sun's size, red dwarfs have found their own important place among the stars. Their soft, reddish light comes from their cooler temperatures, usually less than 4,000 Kelvin, while the sun burns hotter at 5,800 Kelvin. This cooler nature means they burn fuel more slowly. So, while the sun quickly turns hydrogen into helium, red dwarfs take it slow and can shine for billions of years. Some even think it could be trillions. Because they live so long, planets around red dwarfs enjoy a stable environment. A steady star offers its planets a predictable setting, one that's safe from sudden big changes or bursts of energy. This calm, long-lasting warmth makes it possible for life to develop in many different ways over time. Life on a planet around a red dwarf, though, might look very different from life on Earth. Many of these planets don't rotate like Earth does. Instead, one side always faces the star while the other side is always dark. This could mean very hot conditions on one side and very cold on the other. But in the middle, there might be a place where it's neither too hot nor too cold, just right for water, which is vital for life. Then there's the Alpha Centauri system, home to Proxima Centauri, a red dwarf. It's special because it's our nearest star neighbor, just over 4 light-years away. The discovery of a planet called Proxima B, which is in the star's comfortable zone, has got everyone talking. Could this nearby planet, lit by a red dwarf, be a place where life exists? Alpha Centauri B, one of the 3 stars that graced the Alpha Centauri system, has always caught the attention of astronomers. Why, you ask? Because it's a lot like our very own sun. It has a similar warmth and brightness, suggesting that just maybe it could have planets orbiting it where conditions are just right for life to flourish. With the advances in technology over the years, scientists have been able to use powerful telescopes to zoom in on stars like Alpha Centauri B. Their aim? To spot the faintest hint of a planet moving across the face of its star, or causing the star to wobble ever so slightly due to the planet's gravitational pull. After countless hours of observation and analysis, their dedication and perseverance were rewarded. Around Alpha Centauri B, they discovered a variety of planets, each unique in its own way. Some of these might be rocky like our Earth, while others could be gas giants, similar to Jupiter or Saturn. The mere existence of these planets brings forth a plethora of questions. What are their atmospheres like? Do they have water? Could any of them support life as we know it? Each discovery offers a new chapter in our quest to understand our place in the universe. Within the Alpha Centauri system lay its very own version of the Goldilocks zone, a sweet spot in space where it's not too hot and not too cold, perfect for life as we know it. In this comfortable space, astronomers found several planets, each unique and interesting in its own way. But there's one star and its planet that really stands out in this system: Proxima Centauri and its planet, Proxima Centauri B. This planet has caught the eyes of many scientists and space enthusiasts. Why? Because Proxima Centauri B is a rocky planet much like Earth, and it's in the perfect position around its star where water might exist. What's even more exciting is how close this planet is to us. It's just 4.2 light-years away, making it the nearest exoplanet to Earth. That's like a next-door neighbor in cosmic terms. Imagine a world not too different from ours. Proxima Centauri B could have the right temperatures for water to stay liquid on its surface. And if there's water, it increases the chances of having an atmosphere with elements like oxygen and nitrogen. All of this means that this mysterious planet could potentially support life. Proxima Centauri B is not just another star in the vast sky, it's a nearby opportunity that sparks our imagination. Its closeness makes us dream of space travel in ways that were once confined to science fiction. What would it be like to visit such a place? Are there oceans or deserts? Does it have calm days or intense storms? Proxima B is a testament to the universe's penchant for surprises. While it orbits a red dwarf star, a type considered cooler and smaller than our sun. Think about it, a world so near to us in astronomical terms that could be another oasis in the vast desert of space. The journey to understanding Proxima B began earnestly in 2016, when the European Southern Observatory gave us the first concrete evidence of its existence. This revelation was not just a scientific discovery, it was an invitation to explore, to dream, and to seek out the nature of this distant world. Could it have oceans? Is there a chance for it to have an atmosphere similar to ours? These questions swirled in the minds of researchers and space enthusiasts alike. NASA, with its cutting-edge technologies and relentless pursuit of knowledge, took on the challenge. Navigating the complexities of interstellar observations and analyses, the agency endeavored to peel back the layers of Proxima B. The process was painstaking, akin to trying to discern the features of a tiny ship from the shore across vast oceanic expanses. Yet NASA's perseverance appears to be paying off. Recent updates suggest that they have gleaned significant insights into this distant world, and the time is ripe for these revelations to be shared with a world eager to know more. Proxima B is a little bit bigger than Earth. Think of it as Earth's slightly bigger sibling. If Earth was the size of a basketball, Proxima B would be like a beach ball. This planet has a temperature that's similar to a cool spring day here, around 10 degrees Celsius. Imagine needing a light sweater when you're out and about. Now, let's talk about the air on Proxima B. It's pretty similar to what we breathe here, a mix of oxygen and nitrogen. Imagine breathing in and feeling the same fresh air we do after a rainstorm. Plus, there's water vapor, which means there might be clouds floating about. And just like our planet, Proxima B has its own protective shield, a magnetic field that acts like an umbrella, keeping out harmful space rays. The days on this planet are shorter. If you think our 24-hour day is long, over there it's roughly 11 hours from sunrise to sunset. And their seasons, like our summer or winter, last about 6 months each. It's as if each season takes its time, like a long vacation. The most exciting part? Proxima B is covered in water. A lot of it. Imagine our Earth, but with even more beaches and lakes. About 70% of Proxima B is covered in water, so there are oceans, rivers, and possibly even waterfalls. This water is salty, like our oceans, and has a balance that might be friendly to life. It's like the planet is prepped and ready to host life, just waiting for the guests to arrive. And it gets even more fascinating. Remember when we were kids and looked for shapes in the clouds, or gazed at the night sky hoping to spot a shooting star? Well, NASA's revelation has us doing something similar, but on a galactic scale. Here's the kicker. NASA thinks Proxima B is alive, and not just in a "there might be something there" way. They've spotted signs that scream life. This isn't just about finding water or the right temperature anymore. We're seeing evidence of a functioning ecosystem. Think of it as Earth's distant cousin, where living things, plants, animals, and tiny microbes are breathing, growing, and thriving. And then came the images, those breathtaking, jaw-dropping snapshots of another world. It felt like everyone on Earth pressed pause on their lives just to gaze at them. The images showed us a place of contrasts. One side of Proxima B is stuck in a permanent nighttime, while the other side is always touched by light, like an eternal sunset. It's as if the planet can't decide if it wants to sleep or stay awake. Diving into the wealth of images and information on Proxima B, scientists stumbled upon a truly surprising find. They realized that Proxima B's air wasn't just one type of atmosphere. It had two. Picture two different blankets of air wrapping around the planet. One was quite like our own Earth's, full of nitrogen and oxygen, the stuff we breathe. The other layer had strange gases that scientists hadn't yet identified. This unique double atmosphere setup was something no one had predicted and made everyone rethink what we knew about planets and where life might be possible. But the real jaw-dropper came when a particular image was released to the public. This picture showed massive, intricate patterns across a big part of the planet that was lit by its star. Imagine looking at enormous, complex doodles that seemed too perfect to be random. They looked like huge pieces of art or designs you'd expect to see in a math book, covering vast areas of the planet. And this puzzled everyone. How did these patterns get there? This discovery set the world abuzz. Were these designs just some funky natural designs, like our Earth's sand dunes or river patterns? Or could they be creations of some intelligent beings, maybe signs that someone or something was trying to communicate? The mystery of these designs made everyone talk. As news of Proxima B's mysteries spread, the world's scientific community found itself abuzz with excitement and curiosity. From every corner of the Earth, eminent scientists, astronomers, and researchers united in their quest to delve deeper into the enigmas Proxima B presented. Equipped with cutting-edge technology, a new generation of telescopes was directed towards this intriguing planet. Every observation, every piece of data collected, peeled back another layer, offering fresh insights. The most gripping mystery was the perplexing structures on the planet's surface. These were not markers of alien civilizations, but the grand designs of nature itself. Formed over countless millennia, the patterns were sculpted by the interplay of Proxima B's unique atmospheric conditions, the play of light across its surface, and the slow yet relentless march of geological processes. Yet, as the scientific puzzles were being pieced together, a deeper, more philosophical conversation began to emerge. The wonders of Proxima B forced humanity to confront some profound questions. If such intricate, naturally formed designs could exist on a planet light years away, what did it say about the nature of reality? What other marvels might the universe hold that defy our current understanding? Philosophers, spiritual leaders, and thinkers urged humanity to consider the broader implications of these discoveries. The unveiling of Proxima B's many mysteries set the stage for a pivotal moment in human history. Across the globe, space agencies launched cutting-edge missions to take a closer look at what Proxima B had to offer. This push into the unknown exemplified humanity's unyielding curiosity, lured by the intriguing prospect of a world so similar, yet different from our own. As the years ticked by, our species' grand journey to Proxima B became a reality. New propulsion techniques carried the spacecraft swiftly through space. On board was a diverse team comprising of bright scientists, skillful engineers, and brave explorers. Their shared dream? To uncover the secrets of this distant world. The expedition was marked by both challenges that tested their resolve and moments of sheer wonder as they traveled deeper into the vast expanse of space. Drawing closer to Proxima B, the team was greeted by breathtaking vistas. What had seemed like mere patterns and colors from afar took on tangible significance. The planet's striking balance of light and shadow was a sight to behold. And those curious geological structures, once blurry and distant, now revealed their intricate details, much like colossal sculptures carved by nature's hand. This journey to Proxima B expanded our understanding of the universe. A once mysterious world transformed into a canvas of discovery, rich with insights from various fields, from science to philosophy. The world's contrasting landscapes underscored the universe's ability to harbor secrets, even in places we least expect. But here's where things get even more intriguing. If Proxima B, a stone's throw away from us, could harbor conditions so ripe for life, might there be other planets out there even better suited than Earth itself? Welcome to the concept of superhabitable planets. These are celestial bodies that, in theory, possess the ideal conditions to support diverse and abundant life, potentially even surpassing Earth's capabilities. If Proxima B was an appetizer to the universe's wonders, superhabitable planets promise a main course that might change our place in the cosmos forever. The idea of superhabitable planets is a real game changer. Think of these as planets that are not just similar to Earth, but might be even better for life. Imagine places where living conditions are top-notch, even better than what we have on Earth. When scientists started talking about this, it got everyone excited. It was like learning that not only might there be other homes in space for us, but some could be even cozier and more welcoming than Earth. This idea gave everyone a fresh way to think about life out there in the vast universe. These extraordinary superhabitable worlds transcended the realms of science fiction. Instead, they were firmly rooted in the vast array of possibilities that the universe had in store. Armed with advanced technology and an insatiable curiosity, researchers embarked on a quest to identify a collection of planets that exemplified the characteristics associated with these extraordinary realms of potential. What made these superhabitable planets stand out is their strange ability to nurture life in unexpected ways. These worlds seemed almost tailor-made to support flourishing ecosystems. Key attributes of superhabitable planets include stars with longer lifespans and lower brightness than our Sun, which creates a stable environment lasting for ages. The planets themselves could be larger and more massive, leading to steadier climates and thicker atmospheres, both crucial for sustaining life. Water, the essence of life, plays a pivotal role in these exceptional realms. The presence of vast oceans interconnected by intricate water networks is able to sustain diversity and resilience among ecosystems. Furthermore, A diverse topography featuring mountains, valleys, and plateaus promotes varied habitats, accommodating a rich spectrum of life forms. As the list of potential superhabitable planets expands, it encompasses an eclectic array of celestial bodies. Some exist within the habitable zones of their host stars, where conditions aligned for liquid water to exist. Others push boundaries by orbiting stars cooler or older than our Sun, challenging our preconceptions about habitability. You better believe NASA's announcement has got everyone and their dog talking. It's like a global mic drop moment, sparking this mega wave of interest in anything and everything space. Folks are flipping out and feeling all the feels for Proxima B, curious to know every nook and cranny of this cosmic neighbor. Some folks are even dreaming big, imagining a day when we could pack our bags and head over there. But of course, there are those who've got their skeptic hats on, wondering if there are any cosmic curveballs lurking around. The unveiling of Proxima B's conundrums has injected fresh enthusiasm into the concept of superhabitable planets. Scientists embarked on speculations about whether these distant realms could foster life forms uniquely adapted to their distinct environments. The striking contrasts and unconventional traits of Proxima B served as a reminder that the universe's potential for diversity stretched beyond the confines of our wildest imagination. With the deepening comprehension of superhabitable planets came a cascade of questions. Why do we invest so much time, effort, and resources in exploring these tantalizing celestial realms? Do we truly need a new planet to call home in the first place? The search for superhabitable planets, worlds that go beyond mere Earth-like conditions to offer environments potentially more conducive to life, is driven by a profound desire to understand the diversity of life in the universe. It is not merely a quest for an alternative home, but a journey to unravel the mysteries of existence itself. First and foremost, the exploration of superhabitable planets expands our understanding of life's potential. By studying a wide array of planetary environments, we gain insights into the myriad forms life could assume beyond Earth. It challenges our preconceptions and broadens our horizons, sparking new questions and encouraging us to think beyond the confines of our terrestrial boundaries. Superhabitable planets represent not just alternative homes, but also scientific treasure troves. Each discovery offers a unique laboratory for astrobiology, a field that seeks to decipher the origins, evolution, and potential distribution of life in the cosmos. These worlds provide an opportunity to test the limits of adaptability and resilience of life forms in environments we could scarcely imagine. Moreover, the exploration of superhabitable planets fosters a sense of humility. It reminds us that the universe is vast and teeming with possibilities, and that we are but a small part of a much grander tapestry. The pursuit of these celestial realms encourages us to embrace our role as cosmic citizens, fostering a deeper connection to the cosmos. But do we truly need a new planet to call home? The answer lies in the complexity of the question. Earth, our cherished cradle, is irreplaceable. It is a unique and exquisite jewel in the cosmic expanse, a testament to the delicate balance that has allowed life to flourish for billions of years. In the end, the quest for superhabitable planets is not merely a journey to find a new home. It is a voyage of self-discovery, an exploration of the cosmos, and a celebration of the human spirit. It is a reminder that, as we gaze at the stars and ponder the mysteries of the universe, we are bound by a shared destiny that transcends borders, ideologies, and divisions. Would you ever want to travel to Proxima B and other superhabitable planets? Let us know in the comments section.